With each log cabin, Dunster House will pre-cut ventilation holes into the apexes. We supply plastic vent covers which are fitted into the hole to allow for airflow, but prevent insects or rain from getting inside. To begin, fit the square vent on the interior of the cabin. This has a mesh grille to prevent insects getting in, and is screwed in place with 20mm screws. The round vent is installed on the outside. This has slatted rails to prevent rain from getting in, so make sure that the slats point downwards. Make sure you do not cover these ventilation holes, as this will stop air going through and cause excess humidity.